Now, Congress spokespersons find themselves in a rather tough spot. Robert Vadra lost his cool when an ANI reporter asked him a question on his company's allegedly illegal land deals in Haryana. Robert Vadra was caught unawares with a direct question, snapped and bullied the reporter to delete the footage. Here's how it all unfolded.
That's Mr. Robert Vadra, angry, snapping, livid, and shoving the microphone away, losing his cool when asked about the Haryana land deal.
I believe Mr. Vadra has already issued, or his office has already issued, a clarification. It was a private event, and it seems like he was not even aware that it was media. And you will agree that it would be inappropriate for anyone in a private event to, indulge in a paparazzi culture.
तो उन्हें कोई ज़बरदस्ती तो नहीं कर रहा था, वो हट जाते, वो पहले तहकीकात करते कि वो जवाब देना भी चाहते हैं या नहीं देना चाहते, वो पूछ लेते कि आप सवाल क्या पूछना चाहते हैं, उसी हिसाब से मैं जवाब दूंगा, या फिर कहते नो कमेंट्स और चले जाते। उन्हें कोई ज़बरदस्ती तो किसी ने, उनके पास गार्ड्स थे, रिपोर्टर के पास तो गार्ड नहीं होते ना।
We have Deputy Editor Ashar Khan joining us live from the capital for more on the story. Ashar, what really is the official line taken by the Congress? But because by saying that he was not aware that he was talking to the media, that really is not convincing.
Well, absolutely. At the moment, there's no official line which is coming out of the Congress party. In fact, we've seen that in the last a couple of months or so, whenever a question is posed about Mr. Robert Vadra, the classic quote which comes from the Congress party is that he's a private individual, not from the Congress party, so he can speak for himself. What we've seen is that there have been reactions on his land deals vis-a-vis the Haryana government when Congress was in power. So the answer which we get from, if we ask a specific question about the land deals in Haryana, is that the Supreme Court has rejected the PIL. So those are the two answers which we get. And since yesterday, we've been trying to speak to the leaders of the Congress party, but we see that they're not very forthcoming about this issue. In fact, we've also tried and touch base with the office of Mr. Robert Vadra and so on. And perhaps there may be an explanation, but perhaps there may be a clarification, perhaps there may not be a clarification. So as far as the Congress's official line is concerned, there is no official line as we speak, because what we've been given to understand is that he is a private citizen, he's not a member of the Congress party.
Right, it's pretty convenient for the Congress when they want to defend him, and when they don't have a defense, he's not a member of the Congress party. But it's not just about that. ANI News editor Smita Prakash spoke to Headlines today shortly after this incident and revealed how Vadra instructed his SPG men to get the reporter to delete the footage.
जब दूसरा सवाल पूछा गया जो हरियाणा लैंड डील्स के ऊपर था, वो बौखला गए, वो उन्होंने कैमरा को धक्का दिया, माइक्रोफोन को धक्का दिया और बहुत ही रूड तरीके से उन्होंने कहा आर यू नट्स, आर यू सीरियस, और बहुत गुस्सा हुए। और फिर उन्होंने एसपीजी को कहा, एसपीजी जो भी उनके गार्ड्स थे उनको कहा कि आप टेक द टेप आउट, टेप निकाल दो, डिलीट इट। तो एसपीजी इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग हिम प्रोटेक्शन हमारे कैमरामैन के पीछे लगे कि ये टेप निकालो, डिलीट करो। तो ये उनका काम नहीं था, उन्हें कोई ज़बरदस्ती तो नहीं कर रहा था, वो हट जाते, वो पहले तहकीकात करते कि वो जवाब देना भी चाहते हैं या नहीं देना चाहते, वो पूछ लेते कि आप सवाल क्या पूछना चाहते हैं, उसी हिसाब से मैं जवाब दूंगा, या फिर कहते नो कमेंट्स और चले जाते। उन्हें कोई ज़बरदस्ती तो किसी ने, उनके पास गार्ड्स थे, रिपोर्टर के पास तो गार्ड नहीं होते।
The ANI reporter's question was in context of the allegation that Robert Vadra made a killing in land deals during Bhupinder Singh Huda's tenure as Chief Minister. His firm Skylight Hospitality bought land in Shekhupur village of Gurgaon in February 2008 for just 7.5 crore rupees. A month later, the Huda government grants Vadra's firm a license to develop a housing colony. But within 2 months of being granted that license, Vadra sold the land to DLF for 58 crore rupees. That's a net profit of over 43 crore rupees. And here's why Vadra may have been nervous with that final question the ANI reporter asked last evening. Soon after assuming charge, the new BJP government in Haryana had said that Vadra's land deals will be investigated. In fact, probing the irregular land deals in the state has been one of BJP's election planks in the state of Haryana.
सर, जो डीएलएफ का है, रॉबर्ट वाड्रा के करप्शन का बहुत बड़ा मामला था, क्या वो केस दोबारा खोला जाएगा सर?
सब बातें होंगी, निश्चित समय पर होंगी, थोड़ा हम अपने साथियों में बैठ कर विचार करेंगे। सब बातें होंगी, निश्चित समय पर होंगी, थोड़ा हम अपने साथियों में बैठ कर विचार करेंगे।
Deputy Editor Ashar Khan is still live with us. Ashar, is there a sense of nervousness within the Congress after Manohar Lal Khattar promised an investigation into Vadra's land deals?
Well, the Congress has been maintaining, as far as these land deals are concerned, they say that when the Congress government was in power in Haryana, there were two PILs which were filed, one in the High Court and the other in the Supreme Court. And both of these have been rejected by the court. So as far as that is concerned, the Congress feels that it is on the clear. But the disturbing issue here is the kind of reaction which was elicited by Robert Vadra last evening. That is something which is clearly indefensible. In fact, behind closed doors, the Congress leaders are tight-lipped. They do not know how to react, and the official position of the Congress party also is unclear as of now. So we'll have to wait and watch as to how the day pans out. But yes, a very difficult position the Congress party finds itself in.